Hello kids, welcome back to online classes. Myself Renuka Devi. I am your English mentor. I am handling grade 2. So students, in last class we started lesson number 2. What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is Annual Haircut Day. Before starting the part 2 lesson, please students, everybody open your English textbook. Open your English textbook, page number 23. Page number 23. And while I am reading, please keep a finger, point out the finger while I am reading. So in last class, what did we learn? So in last class, we have started lesson number 2, Annual Haircut Day. The name of the author is Noni. In this Annual Haircut Day, the story is about a person who cut the hair once in a year. Who cut the hair once in a year. Yes, students. And what is the name of the person who cuts the hairs once in a year? Yes, very good. The name of the person is Sringeri Srinivas. When he wanted to cut his hair, to whom did he go first? Near whom he went first time? First time he went near barber. He went near barber. What did barber said? Barber said that I have no time to cut us such a long hair. I have no time to cut such a long hair. After that, whom did he go? He went near his wife. Near whom he went? Here he went near his wife for a help. His wife said that I have no time to cut such a long hair. So what did he felt? What did he felt? He was very angry. Who was angry? Sringeri Srinivas was angry. And he again after that, to whom did he go? He went near his friend who tailor. He went near his friend tailor and asked him to cut his hair. Even his friend also said the same, that he cannot cut his hair. He cannot cut such a long hair. After that, near whom he went? He went near his another friend. Who was his another friend? Can you all see? Yes, very good. His another friend was carpenter. What did he say? The carpenter said, I have no time to cut such a long hair. So students, today we will continue the lesson. Page number 23. After that, what did Sringeri Srinivas do? Poor Sringeri Srinivas. It seemed no one would like to cut his hair on Annual Haircut Day. What did Sringeri Srinivas think? That no one would like to cut my hairs on Annual Haircut Day. In tears, he walked off by himself past the village forest. Crying, he went into the forest. Crying, he walked off out of himself and past the village forest. He sat near a cave and cried loudly. He sat near a cave and started crying loudly. Sorry. The day is nearly over. What was Sringeri Srinivas feeling? That the day is over. How can I keep my promise to cut my hair? Sringeri Srinivas was thinking, the day is over. How can I cut my hair? I have promised that I will cut my hairs once in a year to my God. Oh God, help me. Oh God, what did he felt? Oh God, help me. How can I cut my hair? The day is over. He started crying loudly. The tiger, sleeping peacefully inside the cave, was very disturbed by all the noise. When Sringeri Srinivasan was crying loudly, the tiger, who was sleeping peacefully in the cave, was disturbed. Why was the tiger disturbed? Because the Sringeri Srinivas was crying loudly. He was sitting near the cave and the tiger was sleeping in the cave. The tiger was sleeping peacefully in the cave and the Sringeri Srinivas was crying loudly. Hearing that noise, the tiger was disturbed. The tiger sleeping peacefully inside the cave was very disturbed by all the noise. He came out. Here you can see the picture of the cave and the Sringeri Srinivas is sitting near the cave and he is crying. Yes, students, and even you can see the hairs, how long the hairs have been grown of the Sringeri Srinivas. So, the tiger, and in this picture you can see that the tiger is sleeping in the cave. The tiger is sleeping in the cave. And the tiger came out roaring, waving, roaring and waving. The tiger came in this way, waving his giant paws at Sringeri Srinivas. The tiger, you can see here how the tiger is roaring and waving. Here in this picture, you can see how the tiger is roaring, waving his giant paw at Sringeri Srinivas. Poor Sringeri Srinivas was so scared. So scared, he was so scared that all the hairs flew off his head. When the tiger rode on Sringeri Srinivas, he was so scared that all his hair fell off his head. All the hair went off. In this picture, you can see here. Here in this picture, you can see all the hair of the Sringeri Srinivas was fell off. Sringeri Srinivas ran all the way back to the village. When he saw that the tiger roaring, waving his giant paw, the Sringeri Srinivas ran. He ran back to his village. The tiger went back to sleep. When Sringeri Srinivas went back to village running, the tiger went back to cave and he slept. Now, Sringeri Srinivas would not need a haircut for very long time. When Sringeri Srinivas, all the hair fell off and his hair was full hair were not there. In this picture, you can see how he is looking. So what did Sringeri Srinivas thought? That he do not need haircut for a long time. So students, this was a lesson number 2, the annual haircut day. Okay, please do read the textbook lesson as many times as possible. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.